out, Sway.
We can take a look. Vice strip. Let's do that one. She good? Oh, she's chilling. Gotta get them photos. I see a foot behind you, boy. Snap share. The fuck? Nothing if you're just standing here, bruh. Fucking Darth Vader helmet. Gotta have that wine. Dude's name was Hubert. And the one that gets her attention the most. Damn. That comment got her fucked up. I thought it was a man standing back there as a woman.
Have you ever wanted to become a lucid dreamer? What if I told you there was a way to take control and avoid your nightmares? What's up, my favorite people? Christy Lure here, and today's video is sponsored by Bruce Play Inc., so be sure to check them out for all your SEO needs. So today I want to give you some tips on dreaming, because like many of you guys, I've struggled with getting a good night's rest. I was having nightmares all the time, but I overcame it with lucid dreaming. So lucid dreaming is where you become aware that you're dreaming. And when this happens, you can take control. And there are very simple ways to learn how to do it. My method that I used was word association. Basically, you just practice any phrase over and over and over until you begin to associate that phrase with reality. The idea being is that when you say the phrase in your dream, you'll know you're asleep.
I wonder if it works. It was all a dream. Little bitty smalls never hurt nobody. Actually, that might not be true, but may or may not be true. A lot of little bitty smalls may hurt somebody.
I'm not even kidding. kidding. We were circling the neighborhood for like 30 minutes before I'm finally like, dude, it's
she
the
didn't use the
biggest
filter,
house
bro.
on the
It ain't that
street.
bad. You know
I
what I mean?
find it.
You ain't that phony.
Oh.
My shit be real, bro. I don't be
Anyways,
using
thank
no
you
pictures.
so much for inviting
Or
me
no
over,
filters, I mean.
Phoebe. I'm such a huge fan. And when I heard that you watched my content, I don't know, I think I
Gossip
screamed or
girl.
something. But seriously, it really means a lot. And it's amazing to be here. But I wanted to ask you something, and forgive me, I don't know, it doesn't make any sense to me. Where is everyone? I mean, you have millions of fans, and yet you're all alone? You know what I think?
Oh, damn.
I think it's because you're a phony. And nobody.
She look crazy. Dreaming again. Damn, she about to choke herself, bro. This what Woman in the Yard about? That's the original.
When it comes to lucid dreaming, I see.
Hold on, bro. I gotta moisten my lips. Hold on. What do y'all do with y'all excess, man? I'd be like putting it on my fingers, like.
Everybody make this mistake. They think sleeping tricks like the mild method are the only answers out there, but I can tell you that there is much more to it than that. Hey everybody, Ricky Sims here with all your favorite health and fitness advice, and today we're going to be talking about getting better sleep.
I ain't gonna lie, the
Recently,
promotion they
I was
be
having
putting
a
for
ton of
themselves in
nightmares,
this
and it
shit
was
is so
causing me
good.
tons of stress. I wanted to take control of my dreams, but then I realized that not only would I have to train my mind, I'd also have to perfect my physical health as well, and that meant sticking to a strict diet. No processed foods, no sugars, and no
It's about to
alcohol.
call it out
Cut
again,
all
watch.
of that out of your life immediately. If you want to take control of your dreams, you're going to have to condition your body. So make sure you start that right away.
Stop
Any
being
amount
phony.
of it.
What's so funny about her though? Like, you know what I mean? I wonder what it is. Wait for it. Wait for the phony! Phony! She's like, oh, I'm safe.
Now exhale slowly.
You can't take the negative criticism, man.
Good.
Just like Ninja trying to play
Feeling
me and say I ain't 6'4" around this motherfucker. That's crazy, bro. Like, Ninja's trying to play me, bro. Like, what you talking about?
Great. Let's jump into some
Boy,
cardio,
up
get
there.
that blood pumping.
Oh,
Come
you
on.
know this nigga too, bro?
Oh, hey, and
Phony
I
time.
just wanted to say thank you so much for reaching out. I am a big fan and think you're awesome. I've trained a lot of celebrities and influencers before, and so many of them are just so full of themselves, you know? I mean, sometimes they are so arrogant they think that they can do anything. Some of them even think they can control their dreams. But not you, Phoebe. No. No, you're different,
What'd she do? Damn.
aren't you?
Yeah, she She ain't safe, man. Why is she phony though? I'm so confused. Oh shit. Got her ass. Damn. Freddy Krueger sliced that ass a little bit.
Okay, I see this all the time in my comments whenever I talk about this. People are desperate to find a way to fight back in their nightmares. And it makes sense, you know, they want to take back control. Why wouldn't they? The problem is, nobody knows how to dream anymore, okay? No one has like a vision or something valuable to pursue. They just want their likes and their comments and their shares, subscribers, all this. This is nonsense. It's absolutely meaningless. There's nothing of substance behind it. And that's not a dream, folks. That's a nightmare. The nightmare of a phony. Just like you from me.
Bruh, what does she do, bruh? Like, there's no way they just hating on her this bad, bruh. Like, but she takes a selfie, bro. But she like posts a picture of herself. Like, what's the big deal, man? Like, I don't understand, bruh. Like, they on her head. It's just like she don't live at that crib. Like, all right, like she ain't the only one, bruh. Damn, like, come on, it ain't that damn bad, bruh. She flexing a little bit, you know, some fake shit.
You're a phony. A phony. That no one likes.
Made a whole video, bruh. Damn, now in the face, bruh. Damn. Fucked her shit up. I don't know why you keep being fake or whatever if it's don't happen every time, bruh. Like, damn, your cat scratched you up, man. Now she look like Starface, bruh. Them Apple PCs be so slick, bruh. This is a cool animated effect. How'd you do that? It will heal over time, man. Oh, you got scratched by a big dog.
That's not a dream. That's a nightmare.
Wait, is her face healed now? She had a full recovery. I thought it was gonna be a star or something. I feel like there was other methods, but it's fine. It works. Damn. Silent Hill ass fucking entryway. shit out there giggling, bro. Damn, what's she being funny about now, bro? Oh, damn, what'd she do, bruh? It seems like she's trying to change. She's still being fake.
You can take control.
But they decapitated her.
Now exhale slowly.
Uh-oh. Big dog! Banished.
Gotcha.
Let me just say how lame that was, man. Like, gotcha. That's the one you chose. Like, I was really hoping for something, man, but it wasn't that. I was really hoping it was something great. I was waiting for it, but it did not land. I was waiting for the Deadpool to come out or something, man, but no. It's alright, man. You know, you gave it a shot. That's all that matters. At first I thought you were gonna do nothing. That's what I thought you were gonna do, but you said something, so I give you credit for that. Don't look at me like that. And I am not gonna lie to you, I am highly confused. I don't understand the premise. At first I did, you know, social media, she was like, you know, faking for the gram, whatever. Cool, I get it, but then she tried to change. Why is Black Biddy after her? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm confused by. Like, what is that about? And then she all of a sudden she got power back, or power to do that? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna need an explanation. Let's check here. Yeah, the quality was really good, but I didn't really understand the plot. People glazing the main actress. People glazing the film itself, like the shots and stuff like that. Let's see. So someone said absolute. Oh, does he commented on his own? I don't know. It says absolutely, but it says great movie. She finally found her strength to defeat fear. Wonderful storyline, and that also real life. Because okay, that's a lot of fucking. Because us as humans sometimes allow fear to stop us from the things that makes us truly happy until you look fear in the face and say, I won't let you control my life anymore. Okay, so she just fought back her fear. I guess that's the premise of it. That's what I'm getting from that so far. It's not bad. It's pretty cool, man. I thought that was a good little story, but I didn't like the plot was kind of like, I would say it made sense. It took like a second to get it. I guess I still don't, but it wasn't bad. I feel like there's definitely a message there. But fighting back fear is just like maybe. It sounds like maybe it could be that.